So I'm recording here with the VESC tool to run the motor. As we can see, I have currently a battery with about 52 volts. So it's a 48 battery, but it's well charged. Okay, so now I will make the motor run. Oh, whoa. Okay, let's see. It runs. The motor runs very fast. This is the RPM graph of the motor, and I will stop it right now. And as you can see, the motor got up to about okay, to about this value, to 24,500 ERPM. So let me go to the calculator. So this motor has 15 motor poles. So I need to put this value 24 15 poles. So yes, so the motor has this RPM 1633 RPM for that battery voltage. Okay.